1, 2, 3. I don't know about you, but I'm trying to get ready for fall. Then on Tuesday I heard I should call, so I thought, what the heck, why not? I don't know about you, but I never remember to tune up my furnace the way I'm supposed to. Had no clue that's what I should do. You can get started right here with this number, just call it. You can save some money and cheer, 'cause you'll be ready for winter. What's your name, where you live, what's the best day? Is your furnace working now, is it okay? Tell me this, do you trust it on the cold days? Don't hold anything back.
Our services.
Call us right now and we'll drop the price down. We'll drive a big red truck out to your town. Are you down to save $1 or $2, and at the same time try to get your furnace running like new?
Call Any Hour Services right now and save $70 on a 29-point pre-season furnace tune-up. That's a $99 value for only $29, but you've got to call before 7 o'clock tonight.
801-443-7400.
801-443-7400.
Any Hour Services. Girl. Any Hour Services.